Hey man, why is your thing so tiny?
My thing?
Yeah, your thing right there. Why is it so tiny? It's practically microscopic.
What thing are you talking about?
It's got to be the tiniest. It's got to be the tiniest thing I've ever seen.
Oh, you're talking about my keyboard.
It's pretty tiny, right? Yeah, your keyboard. That's what I was talking about.
Yeah, whatever.
I didn't even know they made them that tiny.
Yeah, this is a 40% keyboard. It's pretty small, pretty tiny, microscopic.
Yeah, that's really cool. I should probably go get one. How about you? Give me a little test on how it sounds like. That's exactly what I'm interested in.